Hi children, how are you children? Welcome to our EVS class children. Our today's topic is save energy. Save energy. What is energy children? Do you know what is energy? Energy means the power, means the current which we use to glow the lights, fans, etc. Okay children, so we should not waste the energy. If we save energy only, we can use it in our future days. Okay children, so now we are going to learn how to save energy. Okay children, we produce energy with the help of water. Water is used to produce energy. The current which we used is produced with the help of water. Without water we can't produce the current. Okay children, so water is important as well as the current is important. Both are important. We should save both the water as well as the energy, means the current. Okay children, this is a bulb. What is this children? Do you find it in your house children? This is a bulb. Do you know what does a bulb give us children? Bulb gives us light, isn't it children? When it gets dark in the evening, we switch on a bulb. Otherwise what happens children? Our room looks dark. We can't see anything without a bulb, isn't it children? Without the light we can't see anything, so bulb gives us the light. Okay children, so this is a bulb. This is a bulb. Okay, now when we go out of the room or when we go out of our house, we should not keep the bulb on. We should switch off the bulb and leave the room and also the house when we go out of the house. So let me know whether you are following these instructions or not in your house daily children, in your day-to-day life. If you don't follow, learn now and follow from now onwards. Do you switch off the lights when you go out of the house or when you go out of the room? If yes, you tick here. If yes, you tick here. Or if no, you put a cross over here and you learn to switch off the bulb when we go out of the room or the house. Okay children, do you turn off the tap while brushing your teeth? When you are brushing your teeth, you don't keep the tap open. You should close the tap and after brushing your teeth only you should open the tap and clean your teeth, isn't it children? That is the right way of using water in proper way. Okay, so if yes, you tick here. If you are not closing the tap while brushing the teeth, you cross here. Okay, so what did you learn here children? While brushing the teeth, we should not keep the tap open. We should close the tap and after brushing the teeth only we should open the tap and clean our teeth. Okay children, and while leaving the room or the house we should switch off the bulb. Now going to the third one. After taking bath, while taking bath we open the tap or the shower in our bathroom and we take bath. After taking bath, what should we do children? We should switch off, we should close the tap. Otherwise what happens children? Water gets wasted. So are you following this children? Do you turn off the tap, shower after bathing? Do you turn off the shower and tap after bathing? If yes, you tick here, or if no, you put a cross over here. Okay children, so what did you learn from this children? You should turn off the shower or the tap after taking bath in the bathroom. Now going to the next one. Do you leave the switches on if you are the last one to leave the room children? In your school or in your house, when you leave the room lastly, after everyone leaves away the room, when you leave the room in the last, you should switch off the switches. You should not keep the switch of the light or the fan. You should not keep the light or the fan on. You should switch off the light and the fan if you leave the room in the last. Okay children, so follow all these instructions. If you are not following, you should learn to follow all these instructions in your day-to-day life. It helps us to save energy which we can use in our future life. See you in the next class, children. Bye.